State lawmakers are considering legislation to require carbon monoxide detectors in all schools. 22 News I-Team reporter Mike Mascadrelli found out why older buildings don't have these life-saving devices.
Ciara, under state law, school districts only receive funding to install carbon monoxide detectors in new buildings. Massachusetts fire chiefs told state officials older schools need them too.
Numerous Massachusetts schools have no detection systems for carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide is an odorless, invisible gas which can kill you. Chicopee High School and Stefanik Elementary School have CO detectors, but 6 other Chicopee schools don't have them.
Chicopee High School is still relatively new. It was built in 2004, so it had the state funds to install carbon monoxide detectors. There are some older schools in Chicopee that don't have them, but under state law, it's not a requirement.
Massachusetts law does not require older buildings to have carbon monoxide detectors because students don't sleep there overnight. State Representative Paul Brodeur proposed a bill to create a $7.5 million trust fund to help school districts pay for installing CO detectors.
We would like all the schools to be protected with carbon monoxide detection, but there's a significant cost that comes with installing those in all schools. So the idea is that pending legislation would provide funding and not place the burden on the school systems.
The Chicopee Public School District set a goal to install carbon monoxide detectors in all of their schools within the next year.
We've already initiated a plan to start installing them in all our boiler rooms and mechanical rooms where we have devices that may create carbon monoxide.
Only Connecticut, California, Maryland, South Carolina, and Utah require CO detection in their schools.
The Fire Chiefs Association of Massachusetts said fire departments are called to about 40 carbon monoxide incidents at schools across the state every year. I'm Mike Mascadrelli working for you with the 22 News I-Team.